Very good morning. This is Jyotirmay, Department of Biology. So today we are going to discuss about food production from plants. From that the topic long night duration as well as short night duration crops. So in previous class we already discussed about it. One more time I am going to repeat it. So long night duration crops. What is long night duration crop? This is very important. Basically we have the day and night 24 hours. But most of the nights are 12.5 hours. So the night, if it is more than 12.5 hours, if at all it is more than 12.5 hours, then the duration of time is called long night duration. So in that long night duration, the crops which are flowering here, the production of crops depends upon season as well as based on days. For example, maize crop for cultivation it takes 2.5 months and nothing but 60 and 80, 90 days, almost 90 to 100 days. And in which season we can cultivate that maize? In any season. But the night duration should be less than 12.5 hours. Is it clear? If you look at about wheat also should have less than 12.5 hours. Oh, sorry. Maize should have more than 12.5 hours. And wheat should have less than 12.5 hours. And after flowering, the weather condition always should be hot. By example, wheat, if you started cultivation in rainy season. So in rainy mean in a July, August, the crop, the height of the plant grows up to certain branches, leaves, everything grows up. But the time of flowering, July, August, might be September. September and it's nothing but it's going to enter to the winter, most September, October. So that time if it start flowering, might be flowered, then later after fruit started formation, then when it should ripen? So for the time of ripening, the climatic condition should be hot and the night duration should be below 12.5 hours. But after September, the night duration is more than daytime. Then how wheat plant gets less than 12.5 hours here? It doesn't get less than 12.5 hours. So that they start in winter. If they start in winter, you look at September for example, October, I'm extremely sorry, they start in October. By the November, December the plant grows up and by the January the flowering start or maybe February the flowering start and they start ripening, flower become a fruit into fruit slowly within April. It grows up to certain height. By the April, it's too hot, extreme conditions, so that the ripened fruit can easily dry up and it become easier for harvesting. So the crops which we grow in long night durations, basically they are called long night duration crops. Okay. So what are the examples we discussed? Maize, rice, anything you can. And this long night duration crops takes night duration should be more than 12.5 hours. Then other than this long night duration, there are some other crops . Short night duration crops. These short night duration crops grows below 12.5 hours. So less than 12.5 hours. Like wheat. Wheat grows less than 12.5 hours. And more we also have discussed about one more thing, neutral crops. Neutral. Why they are named neutral? Very simple. for the flowering of the plant, this night duration is not, night duration never be as a problem for those neutral plants, because in any time, whether it is more than 12.5 hours or less than 12.5 hours, they flower. So the flowering takes place whether it is less than 12.5 hours or more than 12.5 hours. That impact of the night duration won't be on plants, some of the plants. Those plants are generally called neutral crops. Neutral crops are nothing but like soya beans or fruits like tomato, brinjal, lady's finger, gherkin, which we cultivate majorly all vegetables and fruit plants. Most they are under come to the neutral crops. And here a small point we have to discuss. Yes, India is very famous for cultivation, but India is in the topmost in a production of food. As per that concept, here we have one more point. We'll discuss about it now. So as per your textbook, here production of paddy, whether if your parents or grandparents or your relatives, anyone are farmers, just find out the production of paddy for an acre. Here they gave for 1 hectare 2.4 acres. But just you can calculate for 1 acre, later you can double it. And majorly, overall the world, major amount of food is produced, that is rice. So that's what rice is also called global grain. And this global grain production, majorly the highest production takes place by Japan. Japan, which produces highest rice production. And next, China, second place, and the third, India. But here you may get a doubt, madam, actually our food production should be more than China and Japan. But because we have a great land than Japan and China, but why we don't have more food production? Here the reason, we have full sufficient land here, but water availability is less in some areas. And one more thing, we won't make use of 100% land for cultivation. We leave some lands as a barren. So that is the reason in India, this is one of the reasons I am expecting. Water scarcity may be. The second thing, the people won't make use of complete land for production, and we also don't have proper technology to grow crops proper in way. So this is my opinion. So that is the reason our Indian agricultural tradition is behind of everyone. So if we try to improve our technology, then maybe we will also be in top condition. It is my hope. So then how we will cultivate and what procedure we have to follow, what techniques should be followed, we will learn in this class. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.